This is the anterior view, the front view of the skull. That is that anterior view, the frontal view. So now here you see we have a bones. Which are all bone present here? You see here first you can see two cavities, two orbital cavities are there, and one nasal cavity. Okay, bones present here. It is one is the frontal bone. You can see the frontal bone now, and look at this here. Here two maxilla. So this is one maxilla, another maxilla. Right to left maxilla, and here we have two zygomatic bone. Okay, so this prominence cheek, prominence by the zygomatic bone forms the prominence of cheek. And next we have here you see here one bone is there, two bones here. This is the two nasal bones. Okay, right and left nasal bones are there. This is the frontal process of this is maxilla. So here will come the orbital plate of maxilla will come orbital surface. Here extension is the frontal process of maxilla. Here zygomatic process of maxilla, and the lower aspect you see here lies the, here you can see alveolar arches and all comes here, and here palatine process of maxilla comes this side. Okay, because the palate formation, no hard palate here. So this is so many extensions. And one more thing, this is about maxilla. Okay, and here we have anterior nasal spine is there. You can see two maxillary, intermaxillary suture comes above that. Here anterior nasal spine is there. Okay, and this area, see behind this. So here from front to back three bones are making this area. This area is the, see here this is the nose. Okay, so this is the bony, see the bony part formation by, see here comes the nasal bone is there, then here frontal process of maxilla comes. You can see one more bone behind. This bone is the lacrimal bone. One small bone comes here, that's a lacrimal bone. So this side is clear little more. Okay, so there is a, see I'll give this see here this area will get lacrimal bone. Okay, three bones here. Now next thing is to remember here, see here superciliary arch comes here. So this supraorbital margin, and you will get one notch here. This is a supraorbital notch. Okay, and this is the superciliary arch is there here. Supraorbital margin is here, superciliary arch is here. This junction we are calling the glabella, this area. Okay, and here one meeting point is there, no, of these all bones. See nasal bone, frontal bone, this meeting point we are calling nasion. Then see here infraorbital this one supraorbital notch I told. And sometimes you will get one foramen also this region. Sometimes it will close here. Supraorbital foramen comes here. Look at this below the orbit here. This is the infraorbital foramen. Okay, here infraorbital foramen also comes this side. And so here I told glabella, here nasion, and supraorbital margin, infraorbital foramen. Okay, now here see this is a mandible. The lower jaw is formed by, see, mandible here. This mandible also, see, forms the lower aspect. See here one more foramen comes in this region. Look at that. Three foramen, see, supraorbital, infraorbital, and this mental foramen. This mental foramen comes this lower aspect here. Okay, so the branches of three nerves, trigeminal nerve has three branches, ophthalmic, maxillary, mandibular. So the branches of these three nerves, branches of ophthalmic, supraorbital nerve, branches of this maxillary, infraorbital nerve.